Imagine this. A study by the Bureau of Labor Statistics reveals that the average American spends about 28 hours a week on work-related activities. That's over 1,400 hours a year. But what if I told you that most of us are not truly maximizing that time? What if the way we perceive time could fundamentally change our lives? Point 1. Time is a non-renewable resource. Time is the one resource we can never get back. Unlike money, once it's spent, it's gone forever. Think about it. You can earn more money, but you can't earn more time. Every moment wasted is a moment you can never reclaim. Point 2. The cost of procrastination. Procrastination is the thief of time. A study published in the Psychological Bulletin found that 20% of adults identify as chronic procrastinators. This behavior doesn't just waste time. It can lead to stress, anxiety, and missed opportunities. Point 3. The power of prioritization. Prioritizing tasks can drastically improve how we use our time. The Eisenhower Matrix is a fantastic tool for this. It divides tasks into 4 categories: urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, and neither. By focusing on what truly matters, we can ensure that our time is spent on activities that align with our goals and values. Point 4. Time management techniques. Let's explore some effective time management techniques. The Pomodoro Technique, for instance, involves working in focused bursts of 25 minutes, followed by a 5-minute break. This method not only boosts productivity, but also helps maintain mental clarity. Point 5. The importance of saying no. Learning to say no is crucial. Every time you say yes to something that doesn't serve your goals, you're saying no to something that could. It's essential to protect your time fiercely. Point 6. Investing time in relationships. Time spent nurturing relationships is never wasted. A study published in the Journal of Happiness Studies found that strong relationships significantly contribute to overall happiness and well-being. Point 7. The long-term perspective. Think about your long-term goals. Where do you want to be in 5, 10, or even 20 years? Investing your time wisely today can lead to significant rewards in the future. Point 8. Making time for yourself. Lastly, don't forget to make time for yourself. Self-care is not selfish. It's necessary. Whether it's reading a book, going for a walk, or practicing a hobby, these moments recharge us and enhance our productivity. Conclusion. The choice is yours. In the end, the value of time comes down to how we choose to spend it. Are you using your time to build the life you want? Remember, every second counts. Make the most of it.